Omi holders, what up? I want to talk to you guys and remind you guys a little bit about the token migration. Also, I want to talk to everybody in this market about what's going on and the psychology of the market and what's going on these Bitcoin charts. So let's get right into it. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to look at this Bitcoin chart and compare it to the psychology of the market chart. I want to get your guys' idea and leave me a comment in the comment box. Who knows, there might be something for that. I also want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Omi token migration and what I'm going to do, and to get your guys' ideas of how you guys are going to handle that situation. So let's just get right into this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Check out my website, Everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Shout out to those people who have checked out my website. And if you're very new to crypto, then I have a course on there where I basically described how I look at crypto investing and went basically and broke it down on what I think is important and gave you a nice starting point. So go ahead and check that out as well. So first things first, let's just get right into this Bitcoin psychology of the market chart right here. So this is the Wall Street psychology of the market chart, and what this says is that we go in these cycles all the time, and it's true, it's back tested, it's been back tested, and you start right here in disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, then euphoria, and then you come back down to complacency, anxiety, denial as stuff is dumping. You got panic over here, people are panicking, and then they capitulate, people just sell a bunch of their stuff. Then you got anger, people getting all pissed off, and then you got depression, everybody's like, whatever, I'm an idiot. And then you got disbelief again because you're having a nice spike again, and then the whole situation just starts all over. So this is how it went down in the 2017 market. This is the 2017 to the 2018 bull run, and then over here we kind of went into 2020 a little bit, almost got into 2020. It goes up to September 2019, but basically, yeah, this is exactly how the market went right here. So this is the Bitcoin chart right now. So right here is the 2017 over here to around, let's say, 2020 right here, and that would mean this area should be the beginning, which would be like this hope, maybe disbelief, hope stage right here. That would be, yeah, somewhere around in here. So anyways, I just want to figure out where you guys think we are on this chart compared to this chart or this chart. Do you think we are in hope, optimism, disbelief, thrill, anxiety, panic, capitulation? Where do you think we are? If I were to mark up this chart right here and say, hey, I think this is disbelief, and then we start going all the way up here, and then we came back down, and then we have this weird structure going on here. Where do you think we are compared to that on the psychology of the market chart? And then I'll tell you guys where I think we are in the next video after I get your guys' ideas. Looking at the TA for this chart, though, we can see that Bitcoin is dumping below this line right here. It's dumping below the 40K. Yeah, it kind of sucks. So I'm thinking, hey, we better bounce right here at 39.5 or above that, because if we bounce below that, it's looking really ugly. That level was the level that I wanted us to hold, because that would create a higher low. If it doesn't, then it's going to be a lower low, which is going to be more bearish than anybody ever wanted to see. That's why I got that line sitting there in pink. I extended this yellow line down, which is this pattern that I said is a bullish pattern, which it is. Now, if we break bearish out of this bullish pattern, that is super bearish. So we could be going into some type of bear market territory if we break these structures, like going back down to 30K, breaking 32, breaking 35K would be very bad, and that would probably send us back down to 29K, and that's something that nobody wants to see, because altcoins will continue to get ate up. They will get super ate up. You know, you got bearish breaks out of bullish patterns everywhere, and that just wouldn't be good for altcoins. We'll see this fear and greed index literally go down to 2 because things will be dipping so hard. So I don't want to sound like a super bear, but that's what's happening in these markets right now. We need the bulls to show up like yesterday. Like, we need everybody who's bullish right now to just start pumping this market or something. I don't know what needs to happen right now. We need Elon to tweet or something like that. But OMI token has some cool things going on. So we got the token migration coming up. So there's going to be multiple ways for you to migrate your OMI tokens. I just want to remind everybody that the easiest way, in my opinion, is to just put them on the exchange because you won't have to pay ETH fees. But that is the not decentralized way. So if you want to do a decentralized, you can pay the ETH fees and do what you got to do there. But I just want to remind everybody that you will have to swap those tokens if you're not paying attention to your OMI tokens, if you're just holding them in your GoChain wallet. So I'll put this article in the description that talks about the token migration that's going on for the OMI token, just to because it is coming towards the end of this month, and you want to do it the cheapest and the freest way, in my opinion. Remember, this is not financial advice. What you do with your funds is your responsibility, so be very careful in everything that you do. And remember, health is wealth. Think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots. Let me know where you guys think we are on that psychology of the market chart. Till next time, peace.